Good morning, everybody. I am back, and I am your host, the Supreme Litigant. Hope everybody had a great day, where it's having a great day. Today in this video, I want to discuss lawful versus legal. Okay, and I'll try to give you some examples just to, so you can understand it. The video is not going to be too long. But before I begin, I just want to tell y'all to hit that like button, subscribe, and comment. Let me know your thoughts. If this, if the content that I'm providing and the examples of, in this video, if they're helpful, let me know. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and just, I'm gonna start it off like this. Okay, the distinction between lawful and legal. Here's an example. Let's say you and a million people, y'all find some land and y'all get together and y'all decide that y'all want to call this land freedom land, okay? And y'all decide how y'all want to be governed by making a constitution, and y'all call that constitution the Constitution for the People of Freedom Land, okay? And in that constitution, you say what the government can and can't do because they get their authority from you. That's the same with the U.S. Constitution, and the same with the Constitution for the state of Alabama, and the same for every other state in America, okay? The supreme source of all government authority comes from you. They get their authority from you. They are public servants, okay? So in this Constitution, you say the people of Freedom Land shall have the right to smoke weed. Because people love smoking weed. You want to blaze whenever you want. You want to feel good, So, fast forward, the government is established. You've already told the government what they can and can't do in your constitution. But you got a politician in there. She don't want you smoking weed. You're going to hell. You're going to burn in hell for smoking weed. So she writes a statute basically saying that you can't smoke weed. She prohibits you from smoking weed via statute and says that if they catch you smoking weed, you're going to jail. If they find it in your system, you're going to jail. And they're going to fine you and so on and so forth. You know how it goes. Can that politician do that? Does she have the authority to do that? Is it lawful for her to do that, or any other politician to do that? The answer is no, it's unlawful, okay? Since it's unlawful, it can never be made legal. That is what lawful versus legal means, okay? Basically, the government gets their authority from you, okay? They can only do what you tell them to do. In other words, they can only do what you give them authority to do. And if you did not give them authority to do that, then they cannot do it because it is unlawful. Okay? It's just unlawful. That's just the way it is. Another example. Anything that is lawful can be made legal. And anything that is unlawful can never be made legal. Another example. We'll just use the federal Constitution as an example. Can Congress give police officers the authority to arrest you without probable cause? The answer is no, because the Fourth Amendment of the U.S. Constitution tells them that they can't do that. You are the supreme source of all government authority. They get their authority from you. So anytime the Supreme Court does something, a rule away that you don't like, then you can change that. That'll be another video, but I won't talk about it in here. But that's the distinction between lawful versus legal. I hope that helped you. If it did, thumbs up. If it didn't, comment below and let me know. Okay? And I try to make another video so you can better understand it. But go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and comment, because I'm keeping y'all up to date on the laws, everything. Peace. I'm out.